The question is, what if I don't like vegetables? And my answer to that person and my answer to you is I had someone say that to me once. I told them that the definition of real food is unmodified, raw, enzyme-rich fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetables in as close to their natural state as possible. And they said, yeah, but I don't like vegetables. What if I don't like vegetables? And my answer to that person and my answer to you is then you need to grow up and become a functioning adult. It's really that simple. No sugarcoats here. The body is coded to survive on real food. The body is coded to survive on fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds in as close to their natural state as possible. If you give the body anything other than that, then you cannot hope to be healthy. It's really that simple. So if you are making your decisions in life on your diet simply based on pleasure, simply based on how it tastes and the fact that you don't like broccoli or you don't like spinach, then you are being a child. You are allowing your taste buds to guide you. Adults are able to make decisions on their health based on what is a good survival decision, based on what helps them to survive and to thrive. So it's a really simple question. If you don't like vegetables, then you need to grow up.